Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This short tutorial will be focusing on how to send Solana from Phantom to Bybit. So to do that, we head straight to our Bybit account to copy our Solana address. So if this tutorial is helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and share. So now once you open your Bybit this way, you now proceed and you click on deposit. So now once you click on deposit, you now proceed and you now click on deposit crypto. So now once you click on deposit crypto, you now search at this point, you now look for Solana or you now search for Solana. So now you search for Sol. So now once you search for it, you see it below, you now click on that. You now click Sol below and you now proceed to copy the address at this point. So now once you copy the address, you now proceed to your Phantom wallet right now. So while waiting for the Phantom to open, if this tutorial is helpful, do not forget to subscribe, like, and share. So right here, once you open your Phantom, you now proceed and you now click on send. So now once you click on send, you now click on Solana. So now once you click on Solana, at this point, you now paste the address you've copied from your Bybit. So now once you don't do that, you click on next. And then since the maximum Solana is what I want to send, so I'll now click on max. Then I'll proceed and I'll click on next. So now once I click on next, I will now proceed and I'll click on send. So as you can see, I've succeeded in sending Solana from my Phantom to my Bybit. So you now close it. So now once you refresh the activity, you realize that there is no more Solana on this account. So to verify that this is now active, you proceed to your Bybit and you now refresh your account. So now let's wait for it to drop. The process might take probably 5 to 8 minutes for you to receive your Solana on your Bybit. So right, if this is helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and share.